Hello and welcome to new video. Today in this video I am going to teach you earn money online from an application. So guys, which application is that, how much we can earn, and what are the withdrawals method? To know all this, watch this video till end. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We only provide a genuine application which you can earn money online. So guys, now we are in the mobile screen. First of all, open your Play Store app. In the search address bar, you can simply search here Play Pay Rewards. So guys, you can see this is the application which you can earn money. It is a genuine application which you can earn money as much as you can. If you did not install, then install. I have installed this application, so I simply click here open. If you did not install the application, then you have to install the application first. So guys, it is the starting interface. So guys, when you open this application for the first time, you can see here two. One is sign up and another is login. If you are new user, then simply click here sign up. Then you can see this type of form. You can fill your username, full name, password, email. Otherwise, you can directly sign in with your Google or Facebook. I am the old user, therefore I simply click here login. Then I choose a Google. And here all the Google accounts which in this mobile has been login. You can simply choose your Google account. So guys, this is the first interface of the app. So there are many ways to earn from this application. First one is here daily bonus, app zero, monthly offer wild, and many things from this you can earn. In the recommend, you can earn money from different surveys, games, by referring to your friends. There are many options to earn money online in this game. So guys, in the first you can see here daily check-in. So you simply tap here. So guys, it's boom, I get 10 coins by daily bonus. You can see here before it has a 1892 points, now it's 1902 points. Now second option is here app zero board. I just explained very simple. Now next is monolix offer. It is also good. So guys, you can see here you have to install different types of application, then you have to work on it. Just you can get many points as much you think. You have to do simple survey up to 15 minutes. You can earn 40 to 100 coins. There are many surveys to complete, then you can earn many points. If I complete survey, then the video will be more long. So guys, there are many websites. If you visit for 10 to 20 seconds, you can get money. So guys, you have to utilize your time by doing this. So guys, monolix is one of the best offers which you gives a lot of money. Now next is at get media. So guys, you can see here there are also many types of surveys, quiz. If you want, if you are excited to play quiz, you can also earn money by playing the quiz. So guys, here are also many offers. You can just register and you can get 1.3k, that is equals to 1300 coins. So guys, it is very easy to earn money online. So here is also many points. Just you simply, if you know the math, you can simply play the easy math test and you can earn 104 points within a few seconds. It's very much easy. There are many surveys in every offers. just you have to utilize it and you have to full concentrate. It does not take a lot of time to do a survey. Now with IT studio. So guys, here are less offer, but less offer can give you more points on 1.5x points on all offers now left. So guys, if you do simple CPX research or surveys, you can earn up to 3,000, and in brain surveys you can earn up to 3,000. Thermoris surveys you can also earn up to 3,000, and there are short offers which can you do within few minutes of time. It is also very easy to do all this survey. Now another is offer toro. So guys, in the offer through you can also do many types of survey. Just if you download this game and at level 3 monster, you can earn simply 455 points. It's very easy to attack the monster. So guys, if you download the state of survival and you can reach up to headquarters level 21, you can earn 9,100 points. It's very much easy to earn money. So guys, next one is ad gem. In the ad gem you can also earn money. This application is the full of money which you have to utilize, and you have to give the time, and you can earn money as much as you can. So guys, you can here earn unlimited money by taking some simple surveys. If you download not VPN app and make a simple purse, then you can earn rupees up to 9,800. If you download these types of games, if you watch videos, then you can earn a lot of money from these offers. Now next one is hangy mates. This is also very easy to, it helps to earn money if you complete these simple types of offers, surveys, watch videos, download apps. So oops guys, here is showing there are currently no offers available for your country and device. So sometimes it happens, so which you are not eligible for that country. Now next one is lootably. So guys, from the name you can know that it is my own favorite which I earn from here very points. So you can do simple survey with 560 points by downloading UNO Casino app and register and minimum deposit. If you deposit 25 euro, then you can earn up to 24,010 points. In the same way, in the Vegas Plus, if you deposit minimum 25 euros, then you can earn up to 24,500 points. It's very easy. So this is all about the deposit. If you don't want to deposit, then don't deposit. But if you deposit, you can earn a lot of money by doing a simple survey. Sign up and complete the survey and claim of reward within a 1-2 minutes. You can earn up to 525 points. If you download universe app, just you can download my daily cash and do simple types of quiz, then you can earn up to many points. If you interested in games, then you can download the games. If you want to pause, then pause, but I don't suggest you to pause anything. Just we have to do simple surveys and we have to earn money, because if we are a new earner, then it is difficult to purge. Therefore we should do simple tasks, then we have to earn money. So guys, if you are interested to play the games, you can play the games, and you can also earn money from playing the games. So guys, if you can refer your friends, but you can also earn a great part of income. Here is little bit different referral rules, but also it is a great. Invite friends to get 50 points after they collect 500 points. Your friends get 50 points instantly after use your invitation code. It means that if you are new user, if you use this code 01RB7L, you can instant get 50 points. then I'll get after you collect 50 points. It is very simple rules. Now next and important method is that withdraw. In which wallet or in which method you can withdraw your account, withdraw your money. So guys, here for overall world you can withdraw your money to PayPal account. So guys, if you collect up to 45,000 points, it is very simple to collect it. Then you will get instantly $50 USD. So guys, if you are from Nepal, you can get money to your eSeva wallet. Otherwise, if you play Free Fire, then you can get your money. If you collect at least 2,900 points, within it will be collected within 2 days. Then you can get 210 diamonds. If you generate a less income but also you want to get your money in PayPal, collect at least 5,000 points and you will get 5 USD dollar. So guys, if you are from Nepal, you can simply get from mobile top up or eSeva. So guys, it's very simple and easy to earn money online from this application. If you want to contact the owner of this application, so simply like this Facebook page, you can see here, simply click here, then you can ask question if you are feel any difficulties. Otherwise you can directly write in the comment section what you feel difficulties and what the next videos will become in this channel. Please write in the comment section and don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe this channel. And this app is very genuine and 100%. I will bring a withdrawal payment proof. If you need, then please write in the comment section. And thank you guys, love you guys, keep supporting, keep
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.